Good morning. Chapter Surface Areas and Volumes, exercise 13.6, question number 1. The first question is, the circumference of the base of a cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter and its height is 25 centimeter. How many liters of water can it hold? Okay, so height is given 25 and circumference of the base 132. Okay, the cylindrical shape, the cylinder base is circular shape. We know circumference of the circle 2 pi r. So right, height of a vessel, height is given, height of a vessel equal to 25 centimeter. Circumference of the base of the base equal to 2 pi r is given 132. Circumference of the base 132 centimeter, and we know circumference formula is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r equal to 132, where r is the radius, r equal to radius of the base means cylinder. So calculate this and find the radius. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r, radius, equal to 132. So r equal to, radius equal to 132 into 7 by 2 into 22. Okay, so 6 into 22, 6 to the 12, 1, 6 to the 12, 1, 13, that is 132. 22, 6, 22, 6, 132. And 2, 3 just 6. Two, 3. 3 into 7 equal to 21. 21 centimeter is the radius. Okay. Now capacity or volume of the cylindrical vessel. Of the equal to pi r square h. Pi r square h. Formula is pi r square h. Pi into r is the radius and h is the height. Equal to 22 by 7 into radius. Radius is 21 into 21 into height. Height is given 25 centimeter. 25. Okay. And unit of volume, unit centimeter. Centimeter into centimeter. Centimeter whole cube. Calculate this now. 7 3 are 21. 7 3. Now 22 into 3, 66 into 21 into 25 centimeter cube. Okay. Now question is, how many liters of water can it hold? So convert into liter. So we know 1000 centimeter cube. It is given also question. 1000 centimeter cube equal to 1 liter. Okay, 1000 centimeter cube equal to 1 liter. So this divided by 1000, that is convert into liter, equal to centimeter cube to convert into liter, that is 66 into 21 into 25 divided by 1000 liter. So calculate this. Now 25 and 1000, so 425 100 and 0 40. It will go by 2. 33, 2 just 66, 33 and 20. 22 just 40. Now 33 into 21 by 20. 33 into 21 by 20. So multiply 33 into 21. 33 and 21. 33, then 33 into 2, 66.
Sir,
693, no?
sir, 691.
693. 693,
Yes,
no?
sir.
693 by 20. 20. Divide now. 3, 20, 60, 9, 3, then 4.
Sir, 34.65.
Four into 20, 80. not open. Okay, 80. 4 into 20, 80. So it is 34.65. Hello. So the answer is 34.65 liter. Okay. Hello. Right, everyone?
Yes,
Divide
sir.
by 693 by 20 equal to 34.65 liters. Okay. Hello, everyone? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next, question number 2. Okay. Exercise 13.6, question number 2. The question is, the inner diameter of a cylindrical wooden pipe. Inner diameter of a cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 centimeter and its outer diameter is 28 centimeter. Okay. So one cylindrical pipe, wooden pipe, inner and outer diameter are given. The length of the pipe is 35 centimeter, length of the pipe. Find the mass of the pipe if 1 centimeter cube wood has a mass of 0.6 gram. Okay. So, inner diameter equal to 24. Inner diameter equal to 24 centimeter. Okay. So radius equal to, therefore inner radius (24/2) equal to 12 centimeter. Okay. Take this one smaller, this radius r equal to, therefore r equal to 12 centimeter. Okay. Now outer diameter equal to 28 centimeter. So outer radius take capital R,
28
outer radius 28/2,
28/2, 14.
14 centimeter. Okay. Now height is given, height is 35 centimeter. Height equal to height of the pipe.
25.
Yes. Height is 35 centimeter. Now question is, the length of the pipe is 35. Find the mass of the pipe. If 1 centimeter cube wood has a mass of 0.6 gram. So first you have to find its volume of the wood. Okay. So wood equal to, what is the formula? You know, formula, that is outer volume, that is pi capital R square H minus inner pi small r square H. So this is equal to common pi and H r square minus r square. Now pi is 22 by 7 and height is 35 and capital R, that is 14. No, a square minus b square, 14 square minus 12 square. So 14 plus 12, 14 minus 12. Okay, calculate this now. 5 7 is 35. So 22 into 5, 110 into 14 plus 12, 26 into 14 minus 12, 2. Okay, so this equal to, calculate 110 into 52. Okay, so multiply this, it is
57
5720 centimeter cube, no?
20.
20 centimeter cube unit. Now mass of 1 centimeter cube, it is given question. Mass of 1 centimeter
0.6 grams.
equal to 0.6.
0.6 grams.
Yes. 0.6 gram. Then mass of 5720 centimeter cube.
5720 into 0.6.
5720 centimeter cube equal to 5720 into 0.6 gram. Okay, so multiply this 5720 into 6 0 after one more zero, no? Six 0 0 6 2 12 1 6 7 42 43 then 4 30 34. Okay, after one digit decimal point, no, this gram, that means 3432 gram is okay. Now convert into kg, convert into kilogram, then how? 3432 by 1000 kg kilogram. Okay, hello, then 3.432 kg, 3.432 kg. This is the answer. Okay, hello.
Okay, sir.
Clear it is.
Sir,
You can ask question now. Any question? Say. Any question?
no, sir.
Clear both the question? All of you understand? And you have to remember this formula, okay? Because we know volume of cylinder is pi r square h, and here pipe is means outer and inner radius is there, different outer and inner radius. So pi into capital R square h minus pi into small r square h. Okay? Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.